what I want you to do is solve these problems. There's 12 of them, and use your number line on your pencil box, and then we will go over the answers together. So go ahead and push pause and work on those problems. All right, let's see. Did you go ahead and solve them? The first one is 18 minus 3. That answer is 15. 16 minus 2 is 14. 19 minus 5 is 14. 17 minus 4 is 13. 15 minus 4 is 9. I'm sorry, no, it's 11. Sorry. 12 minus 7 is 5. 16 minus 5 is 11. 18 minus 6 is 12. 19 minus 2 is 17. 18 minus 4 is 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. And 17 minus 5 is 12. All right. Good job today, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn this into your teacher and have a good day. Hi, boys and girls. We are going to use more practice with our number lines this week to help us subtract. So before you begin, please write your name at the top. And then I want you to practice using your number line to help you subtract. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on the first number, and then we're going to count back as many spaces as the second number. So put your pencil on 17, and we're going to count back 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 11. Okay? And let's look at the next one. 19 minus 1. So I put my pencil on 19 and I just hop back one spot. And that is 18. Okay, the next one is 14 minus 8. So my pencil starts on 14 and I count back 8. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 6. Good. The next one is going to be 20 minus 7. So I put my pencil on 20 and I count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 13. Next one is 18 minus 14. And that's lots of jumps, but we can do it. So we put our pencil on 18 and count back 14. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what did we stop on? We stopped on 4. The next one is 16 minus 2. So I put my pencil on 16 and I'm going to hop 2 spaces. 1, 2. And I stopped on 14. Okay. The next one is 20 minus 7. So put your pencil on 20 and hop back 7. But we already did that one. Do you see that? We did it here. So we actually don't have to do that one again. We can just write 13. Okay, 17 minus 3 is the next one. So let's do 17 and count back 3. 1, 2, 3. It's 14. 12 minus 5. Pencils on 12. Let's count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. The next one is 15 minus 8. So put our pencil on 15 and we count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ended on 7. Our next one is 20 minus 0. So if I put my pencil on 20 and I count back 0, I'm not going to go anywhere, so the answer is 20. Let's do the next one. The next one is 16 minus 5. So, pencils on 16, count back 5. Ready? 1, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 11. Very good. Okay, now what I want you to do is do the last row by yourself and then push play and we'll go over the answers together. Okay, so go ahead and push pause and solve the last few. All right, first graders, did you give that a try? Let's go over the answers. 17 minus 4 is 13. 12 minus 2 is 10. 19 minus 5 is 14. 16 minus 15 is 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. And 11 minus 5 is also 6. So how were you able to do with those problems on the number line? Okay, turn it over on the next.